Take 3. Put a half a peanut butter jar out there. Put bird seed all in it for the birds, but the squirrel found that one first. And he's going to town on it now. Poor birds. I left this one right here for the squirrels. It's tied to the post so he can't haul it away. Well, that one's not tied because I laid it out in the yard for the birds. What, Freya? So anyway, he's found it. Freya! He's found it. And he's going to town on it. Freya! Quiet, girl. Come on. Alright, alright. Better go inside before Freya wakes up my son. He has to go to work tonight. Alrighty. Enjoy, squirrel. Freya! What are you barking at? Huh? You can't go outside this minute. You'll scare my squirrel off. Huh? You scared the squirrels away. We don't want to scare the squirrels off, do we? Let me see them green eyes. Look at them eyes. Wow. Where you going? Huh? Poor puppy. You want to go out there and chase the squirrel, don't you? I bet you do. Okay. Say bye, Freya.